Hello friends, Swati here. Welcome to my channel Swati's Creative Art. Today I will be showing you how to make coconut with clay. For this we need brown and white clay and one bead. Now take the white clay and press it. See the thickness of the clay? Yes, now take the beads and cover it with the clay. Remove the extra clay and roll it completely. Now take the brown clay and press it same way. Its thickness should be less than that of the white one because it is the outer covering of the coconut. Now cover the white clay ball with the brown one. Give it a drop shape. One side will be pointed. Cover it completely. Now take the knife tool and make lines on it, just like we see in coconut, the texture of the coconut. The pointed end will be rough, so make more lines on it. Now take the tool and make 3 eyes at the bottom. I have made thin threads from the clay. Take the threads and place it on the outer covering the way I am showing you. Now take the soft pestle and with a sharp knife scratch it to make the powder. Take a soft brush and apply it on the coconut. Now take the black color soft pastel powder and apply it on the eyes which we have made at the bottom. And on the coconut covering at few places. Just dab the soft pastel powder. Now let's break the coconut. Wow, isn't it great? Now let's see what I did. The clay is not completely dry. Take a sharp cutter and slowly cut the coconut. Remember, there is a bead inside it. Now open it, take out the bead. See the back side of it? Isn't it looking completely like a coconut? Now take white black and brown soft pastel powder, and with a soft brush apply the brown and black powder on the brown portion of the place where we have cut the coconut. Yes. Now take the white powder and apply it on the white areas. Now if you see some black powder is coming inside the white areas, so the look is not proper. So you take the acrylic colors and apply it on the white areas. It's almost done now. Our coconut is ready. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos in future.